Hey everyone, I'm Bill. I'm with Cali Moto TV. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back, Super Beast. We finally have some wet weather. It actually rained last night, so today we are going to be working on the Super Beast. We're heading over to RPM Muffler. Now, RPM Muffler has done all of the exhaust system. He just fixed the exhaust system on the Q60. Obviously, you guys know about the stack on the farm truck. We have installed a 5-inch exhaust on the Super Beast. Now, here's the problem with the Super Beast is even when the 4-inch exhaust, it had a drone on the freeway about 2,000 RPMs, and we've figured out finally how to eliminate the drone on the Super Beast. So first, let's get a first cold start. We're about 35 degrees this morning, so a little bit cold. Sounds. We're gonna be heading out to RPM Muffler and get this anti-drone device hooked up, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we're here at RPM Muffler. Jim, thank you. Jim takes care of all of our cars. So we were just here this week on the Q60S again because we installed the exhaust system, and then we took the resignators out, and it really wasn't the sound that Bogdan was looking for. So it had too much drone in it. So we reworked the system, and we ended up actually putting mufflers on the back with cat deletes, and it really actually, fine job, fine job. But in that time, we were doing some research and found this kind of no drone or anti-drone system that people are starting to put in exhaust systems. And I was like, the Super Beast has room to put this in. So let's show you guys what we're gonna be doing in this anti-drone to kind of give you guys a little bit better kind of idea of what we're doing. But basically what we're doing is up under the Super Beast here, we have the 5-inch high flow cat. This is the DPF high flow cat 5-inch. And what we're gonna do is right here, we're gonna put a 3-inch pipe, J-pipe kind of, with basically drilled right into the system. And the idea is the sound waves are gonna come out of the engine. It's gonna go and divert in addition to this anti-drone pipe, bounce back off, come back in. And the idea behind this pipe is to upset the sound wave of the normal exhaust, so the rest of the exhaust through the truck sounds different. Cancels it. So it kind of interrupts that normal wave that you get that drone. So about 70, 80 miles an hour, we get this drone on the freeway, and that's really what's bothersome. So 3-inch, we're going 24 inches, and we're kind of shooting in the dark with the length. We've seen lengths from, if you go closer to the engine, you don't need quite as much length, where if you go to the back of the engine, you're gonna need more, because the sound, it's gonna take more to deaden that sound. But being that we're eliminated so close to the front of the engine, it should be good. So let's get over here and see our prime candidate. This is 3-inch? Yes. So 3-inch, and we're gonna go 24 inches, and then you're just gonna put a bend in it, cut it, and that's it. So, all right, I won't hold you up anymore. Let's get to work. All right, so we've got the test pipe done. We figured we've got the room. We figured we'd go just slightly larger. This way that we can cut it down if we need to. We can cut it down easier than we can add to. So here is the pipe that we've done, or that Jim's done. So 3-inch, and we're just about 36 inches from the bend, so it's about 40 inches total in length, which when you look at it next to this exhaust, it looks tiny. So I kind of figured we've got the room, let's throw it in and see and make sure that we've got enough, and then worst case scenario, we can cut it and recap it if need be. But logic is the further it goes, the more disruption it would do. So yeah, let's hope for the best. And just like that, here it is. So this is all basically, the whole idea is this pipe. So we've inserted it to the 5-inch, or Jim has. Thank you, Jim. And we've got the bend out, so the sound waves will now travel through this pipe in addition to this pipe. But what's gonna happen is that once it hits this cap, it's gonna revert back and interrupt that wave through the 5-inch. So I don't think it sounds any different on sound. I wouldn't imagine, right, Jim? No, so let's see, get a little start here. But I can't imagine it's gonna sound any different. Sounds normal, no issues. So let's get it out on a quick little drive and see if we've been able to interrupt that wave and that drone and make this thing nice and quiet. All right, honestly, this is the biggest game changer in life right now. I can't believe that I've grown so adapt to the sound of the truck on the freeway. So right now we're doing about 75 miles an hour with the flow of traffic, and the truck is quiet again. Bogna complains so much about the truck and how loud the truck is and that I ruined the truck. And, you know, over, you know, a year and a half of the 4-inch and then just the last few months of the 5-inch, I just kind of grew adapt to the sound, and it just is just what it is. This pipe has completely eliminated any drone sound that I had in this truck. There is absolutely no drone sound. Now, drone sound's kind of hard to pick up on camera, but the truck is a Ford F250 Platinum truck again. It's quiet, it's, you know, and we're lifted on 37s right now, and I don't even hear the tire noise very much. The drone noise was the biggest complaint. So you guys, if you guys are local to the Bay Area, hit up Jim at RPM Muffler. This absolutely works. It's absolutely a game changer if you guys are throughout the country. Now, this doesn't just work for diesels. If you guys have found this and you're like, oh, will this work on my car? Yes, absolutely. The problem with the cars is there's not much room to put these pipes in underneath. Now, there are some diameter dimensions and length recommendations, which I'll link them all down below, and I'll put basically what I found online to be the recommendation diameter and the recommendation length. Now, what I've found to be online is the longer the tube, the more it's going to deaden the sound for the higher RPM vehicles. So the truck only goes up to 4,000 RPMs. So in theory, it should have only been maybe 12 inches. But being that I've got a 5-inch exhaust, I thought, you know what? Let's go a little bit longer. Let's make sure that we've got it all just right. And I have to say, nailed it. Total length of the pipe was about 40 inches, and then the bend and the cap. So absolutely amazing. So you guys, I hope this is helpful. I hope you guys learned something. I hope the drone is gone in everyone's car now, because it's probably the biggest complaint about aftermarket exhaust, and it's the biggest thing that we read. It's the biggest comments that we had. How is the drone? There's no more drone. So thank you, no drone. And if you guys are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, smash the like button. It's more important than you guys know, and then ring that bell notification. Let me know if you guys are back for the diesels, if you guys know the Super Beast, if you guys want a full mod update. I've been doing stuff to the Super Beast, and I haven't been doing videos because they don't get many views. But let me know if you guys want an update on the Super Beast, because I've got a lot of extra stuff. Like I said, we've been lifted. We're on 37s now. We've got new screens. We've just got a bunch of stuff. So hit me up in the comments down below. But you guys, no more drone. It's all done. So thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you guys next video. Bye, guys.